It was just yesterday that one of my friends called up and said he wants to talk to his crush, but he doesn't know what to do. And I just said, why not I make an interesting video on this that'll not only help him, but to all my YouTube family friends as well. Hi everyone, I welcome you all to Skillopedia, a place where you learn skills for the real world. In this particular session, we're going to be talking about how you can talk to your crush. So if you're somebody who's very confident, but still you feel that you jitter when it comes to talking to your crush, then in this particular video, we will talk about some of the fantastic ways and solutions in which you can handle your nerves and talk to your crush. So what are we waiting for? Let's click the link of the video either in the description or right here and watch the video now. Let me know what do you feel about it in the comment section below. Take care.